Hello, sweet friends and crafters. I'm so excited you decided to join me today. Welcome to Carol's Craft Cottage. I'm going to share with you my Scrapdiva design team unboxing. And the first die that I want to share with you is the candy cane alphabet. And you get all the pieces, all the alphabet pieces for the bottom and the top to make it a candy cane. And you get from A to Z, of course, in the alphabet, and you also get a question mark right here. And I'll show you the question mark in the layering pieces right here. So this is cute. I can't wait to play with that. And then the next one I have for you is a Gingerbread Doll Memorydex card. So it looks like you can use this both ways as a Memorydex card for layering, but you could also use this piece right here to make just a gingerbread girl for your tags and things like that. So there's a cute layering piece right here for on top of the Memorydex over here that has, see those little cute little gingerbread on the sides? Very, very cute. And you get everything to dress her up. You get the little squiggles for the frosting and a smile in her eyes and little hearts, a little flower, the ruffled trim for her dress and her collar. Really, really cute. Can't wait to play with this because I love making Memorydex cards. The next one is the mug mini album. So here you have this big die here for your mini album. Comes with a straw. It looks like it has a bow and the whipped cream for the top of your hot chocolate. And on this side are the pieces to layer. So you have this, which is the mini album, and this will cut the holes in this part of the mini album. And this is the dripping of the whipped cream from the top of your mug. And there's another layering piece for the whipped cream, and you have little pennant flags and some little flowers and stars for decorating. I can't wait to do this one and share it with you. The next one I have, and this is a really good size, is a heart gingerbread girl. And this is pretty big. Look at compared to my hand. So that's got to be a good 5 inches right there. This probably from here to here is a good 6 inches at least. And you get that little eyelashes and the smile and the bow layering pieces for the bow. And this right here is for the frosting around the gingerbread girl and her cheeks and her eyes, and some more layering on the bow pieces. So that is going to be cute. Then we have the Snowman Face Mug add-on. And as you can see, we have lots of eyelashes, different eyelashes, mouth and nose. So this will be fun to play with as the mug add-on. And then last but not least, I wanted to share with you the buttons. And this has, looks like 2 different size hearts, and they have the 2 holes in them for the buttons. And then we have 2 rounds with 2 holes and 2 more round again, but with the 4 holes. So these are fun to have to embellish your projects. And that's all I have today to share with you for my design team package. I really appreciate you joining me today, and I will be back soon with more projects. Until next time, everyone, happy crafting. Bye-bye.